The functionality of System 900 is also evident in the detail, for example the support grip, which is very easy to fold upwards. And to make sure it doesn't fold back down as fast as a guillotine, we've installed a brake, a friction brake. It's components like this brake that we've tested in our experimental development department, which is where we test our products for 10,000 cycles at a load of 100 kilograms. And also to make sure that such products will continue to function in the long term and that you don't have to keep adjusting the brake. We use the same system for our foldable shower stool. The shower stool can withstand loads of 150 kilograms. Another thing that's special about it is that the surface of the seat is made of structured polypropylene. It's resistant to chemicals and easy to clean. And the seat surface made of polypropylene is also shaped. It has a subtle 3D shape, which means it's really comfortable and pleasant to sit on. The backrest is also shaped to give you a feeling of safety and comfort.